using the properties of logs, I've got two terms. I need to bring these together first. So this says that log base a sum, turns into a product. So you are multiplying the arguments, is log base a of x plus 4. Now some of you might want to bring the log base a over. You can do that, and then you'd have to rewrite it as an exponential equation so that that's not how I'm going to do it, but so that you could bring this over, log base a of x times x minus 2 minus log base a of x plus 4, but you've got to keep in mind that's equal to 0. And many of you will do that. This is now a subtraction. A subtraction turns into a division. So log base a of x times x minus 2 over x plus 4 equals 0. Now you would rewrite that in exponential notation so that x times x minus 2 over x plus 4 equals a to the 0. And what's a to the 0? 1. And then you would solve it from there. So that would work. So if in doubt, bring everything to the same side, 0 on the other. What I'm going to do in this instance is I've got the log of something equaling the log of something. That means you can drop the logs, so these two things are equal to each other. So that x squared minus 2x equals x plus 4. Bring everything to the same side, 0 on the other. Subtract x, subtract 4. I get x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. This is where I would hope that it would factor. If not, I'd have to use a quadratic formula. This is x 4, 1 minus plus, so that x is 4, x is minus 1. They could both work. Neither one could work. One could work. And if I come back up here, put 4 in for x. That argument would be positive. 4 minus 2 is positive. 4 plus 4 is positive. This guy will work. Put negative 1 in for x. Log base a of negative 1. That makes the argument negative, so at which point this guy goes. This one's more standard. I have x squared minus 9, the log base 4, minus log base 4 of x plus 3 equals 3. So this becomes log base 4 of a quotient, x squared minus 9 over x plus 3 equals 3. Now what could I do to make my life nicer with this problem? Factor, because I notice this is log base 4 of x minus 3 times x plus 3 over x plus 3 equals 3. X plus 3's reduce out, so I'm going to get the log base 4 of x minus 3 equals 3. See how much simpler the problem is? So 4 to the 3 is equal to the argument, so x minus 3 equals 4 cubed. X minus 3 equals 4 cubed is 64, or x is 67. No problem, 67. 67 squared is bigger than 9. 67 plus 3 is positive, so this guy's just fine.